Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Software testing week 8, assignment 8. So the first question is, consider the regular expression a plus b into over the alphabet summation equal to a comma b. Which of the following option represents a list of words generated by this regular expression? So these are the option, and the answer of our first question is D, all of the above. Now the second question is, from the same regular expression, which of the following options represents the language corresponding to the regular expression? So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is B. The language is the set of all words over A and B that have at least one A or at least one B in them. Now the third question is, while parsing a program to extract syntactic information, which of the following defines how characters from tokens? So these are the option, and the answer of our third question is A, irregular expressions. Now the fourth question is, consider the context free grammar given by G equal to NTPS, where N equal to S comma X, T equal to A comma B, B equal to S tends to A X B, X tends to A B. Which of the following is the language generated by this grammar? So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is A. Now the fifth question is, state yes or no. Is the ground string in mutation testing the same as the program under test? Yes or no? So the answer of our fifth question is yes. Now the sixth question is, which of the following is a mutant that can be killed by any test case? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is C, trivial mutant. Now the seventh question is, suppose a decision statement like if x less than 0 and z equal to 5 is mutated to get if x greater than 0 and z equal to 5, then it is an example of which kind of mutation operator? So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is B, replacing a relational operator. Now the eighth question is, as per the lecture, replacing a particular assignment statement with a statement like fail on 0 is an example of mutation operator applied at which of the level is in testing. So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is C, statement level. Now the ninth question is, a programmer decides to save time and apply two or three mutation operators together to increase the chance of finding many errors together. Is this considered to be a useful strategy in mutation testing? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is B. No, mutation operators work best when applied one at a time. Now the tenth question is, state true or false. Mutation testing can be used to show that a program behaves identically when a particular operation is replaced or removed. True or false? So the answer of our 10th question is A, true. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.